welcome back to my page and still on the Facebook content monetization program. I promised you guys that for the next 6 days I'm going to be sharing with you everything I did and everything you need to know for the Facebook content monetization. Actually, the process is seamless. If you can just read through it very well, understand how it works, and just follow the simple rules and policy guiding Facebook monetization, it is very, very seamless. I promise you guys. So on today's episode, I want to share with you the criteria, every single thing you need to know about monetizing your content on Facebook. It is so simple, it is so seamless, and it is so simple, you guys. Trust me when I say that these things are easy. You guys, without any further ado, let's just head over to my screen while I show you how you can actually go about the content monetization on Facebook. So you guys, if you come to your professional dashboard, if you come over here to your professional dashboard and you scroll down, you're going to see tools. So if you click on tools, you're going to see the monetization and the eligibility, every single thing you have to know about being eligible for content monetization is right here on Facebook. All right, so you just want to go ahead, let's just see the eligibility. So you can see that if you come straight here, you're going to see content monetization. So for this particular content monetization, you can see earn from Facebook for all your well performing and eligible content. If you click on that, you're going to see that you guys started earning, and that this is what we have already. So you can see that you can earn from your stories, you can earn from your posts, you can earn from text, from reels, from videos, from stories, from your photos. Whatever you post on Facebook, you can actually earn from that. And that's that about the content monetization. Then we also have the other one, the partnership card. So you can see on this partnership card, no approved ad partners. So partners will come to you, and sometimes companies comes to you and they'll tell you that, okay, I'm interested in partnering with you. You promote their product and they get to work. If you click on that, you can see that this is how it works. You see, they can create ad featuring one or both of their accounts in the header and can boost content. You tag them in. So if you tag them on a content, so this is what it actually entails. You might want to pause this video and just go through it, so you can see this is what this ad stuff is all about. So let's quickly look at the other one. The other one, you can see for this other one, we see that stars. Yeah, you can actually earn from stars. This is when people get to your fans. If you have a large fan base, people get to send you stars, which you can actually convert into money. So this is what it is all about. If you're interested in this particular one, you can just click on I'm interested, then you will write the reasons why you're interested and the reasons why you they should select you for this particular one. And if you're skeptical about how to go about writing it, you can go ahead and ask ChatGPT to help you out with this. It's very, very seamless and it is also very easy. Then the next one is subscription. So you eligible, you might want to put out you might want to put out content that you feel okay, people are interested in and they might want to watch, and you tell them to subscribe. Maybe you have a particular video or you have a training video that you don't want to put out in the public and you want to monetize. You can actually tell people to subscribe to those kind of videos, and you will get your revenues from there. Okay, so you can choose to have more benefits that brings your community together, like a subscriber only group. So you can create a group that is just for subscribers only and tell your community member to subscribe while they get access to that particular video you want to put out there. Okay, so if you're interested in this part of monetization as well, you can go ahead and click on I'm interested, and you want to write the reason why you are interested. And once you are eligible for it, they are going to accept you into the program and you can start creating content you want your audience to subscribe to. Then the last one is the creator storefront. Alright, so if you come here, you're gonna see that unlock a new way to earn, allow fans to request videograms, personalized videos from you to them. Alright, so you can as well create videos that you want to share to people personally. So once you're eligible for this, you can start sharing your personal videos to people, and in return, they're gonna pay. Alright. So this will give your profile more visibility, attracting followers by sharing your virtual offerings to your community. Then the eligibility criteria for this is invite only. That means you might be invited. In fact, you will be invited, and you have to click on I'm interested, write the reasons why you are interested. And once Facebook finds you eligible, they're going to invite you to join in the program. So these are basically, the steps. All right, so that will be all today for concerning the eligibility criteria and the kinds of programs that are available for monetization on Facebook. Till I come your way again in my next video, stay tuned, you guys. Bye.